Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, heated front seats, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, power driver's seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.